Well, would you look at that? Isn't that just majestic? Okay, in today's video then, I'm going to take us, do a bit of reversing here. I suppose I should say, welcome to Drive with Care. In this video, I'm going to take us from Dover Castle, so really the top of Dover, to Deal. We've been to Deal before, but I want to go again, but this time just along the A259, which I think should only take about 10 minutes, maybe 12. We'll see how the traffic goes. Where are you, camera? It'd probably be better if I just had a static camera. Now I'm going to change my alerts. Normally I've got yellow triangles and red triangles, yellow squares and red squares. But watching back over my previous videos, I kind of think it blocks the vision. So in this video, I'm going to change the concept and just have very narrow kind of grid things. You'll see it as they come up. So I will speak out everything that I see, kind of like a talk it through. So a pretty straightforward journey down the A259. It's not a coastal road, it's a rural road, but it is an A road. And really shouldn't be any hazards other than vehicles coming out of junctions. But as I say, I'll speak it as I see it. So let's go. Okay, we're approaching a roundabout. I want to go straight across, so I don't need to indicate. I'll stay in the left-hand lane and then indicate coming off the roundabout. Quite a busy roundabout because it's joining Jubilee Way, which Dover down there. All clear to my right. Fiesta didn't indicate because he's a law unto himself. Entering a 50 zone. Signs suggest we should drive on the left. And of course Dover down there, all the foreign vehicles will come in, and in Europe they drive on the right hand side. So it's a 50-mile-an-hour road. There are speed cameras, and so we watch our speed.
One eternity later.
Right, Z-bends in the road for 500 yards. Still 50 miles an hour. Are they? They're not Z-bends, are they? I mean, I've always thought the sign kind of looked like a Z, but it just means bends in the road. Not Mercedes-Benz. Chevrons informing me that there's a tight bend. The road is not blocked, so on we go. We're currently doing 40. Hazard lights, his lights are coming on. I would suggest that he's perhaps not a confident driver, you know. Brake lights at the bend. Right, into Ringwald, reduced to 40. The van is cruising ahead now. It baffles me. You drive 40 in a 50 zone, and then once we get to 40, you increase your speed. Ah! Stop it! Accident waiting to happen, people. And why is it 40? Because it's a built-up area. There's lots of junctions, there's lots of drives, people trying to get in and out. Okay, we've got traffic island ahead, which tells me there could be pedestrians around. There aren't any. Oh no, I see one on my side of the road. But not presenting a hazard. Got a lay-by ahead with an eatery. Potential for people walking out into the road. And into a 50 zone again. I'm now doing 50. Hooray! This is Ripple. Got Ripple windmill on the left. Not sure if the camera picked it up. Now entering Walmer, and it's a 30-mile-an-hour zone. Part of the old Henry VIII Cinque Ports, Walmer, with the castle. to 30. I'm doing 30. It'll flash regardless, won't it? Just every car that passes. Right, there's a car coming out of a junction. That is my new priority. Whatever that vehicle will do in front of me, I have to react to. Now we enter a built-up area of Walmer. There's a bus and there are cars parked on my side of the road. So I will have to give way. Plenty of room after this white pickup, so out we go. Pedestrians, white van in a lay-by, car pulls out of junction, Mercedes approaching junction, nosing out. I suppose they would do that if they had a swanky car. Pedestrian on the left, thinking about crossing. Traffic island. Pedestrian island. Lots of wide chevrons to allow vehicles to turn into junctions. Traffic on my left. Not traffic, parked traffic. So now I have 3 or 4 vehicles in front of me. It's not just the car in front of me that's a priority. I'm looking for brake lights on all the vehicles, potential vehicles turning into junctions and doing sudden stops. And I think, we get into places like this and people will just go for it. They'll take their chances, like this one. Now what happens if she misses the clutch and stalls right in front of me? You think, oh, I'm going to go for this. Oh no, I've stalled the car. Crash. Zebra crossing. And it's what, 30 seconds it saved you on the journey, waiting for 2 cars to go by? It really isn't worth the hassle. We're not in I want to say we're not in a hurry. Whatever journey we're doing, we might be able to shave off a minute, 2 minutes, on a journey like this. On a motorway, you'll shave off half an hour if you do 70 instead of 60. Vehicle at junction, interrupting my conversation there. But on a journey like this, you're not going to save a lot of time. So it's worth just chilling out, driving with care, observing your surroundings and getting there in one piece, and not causing anybody else any angst either. Okay, road swings round to the left. I've got a zebra crossing. It was Pelican crossing. Car approaching junction. Bus in the lay-by. Okay, Jaguar's coming out. She did wave, so we'll give her that. He waited. Oh, this is exciting. Lots to look at. Now you have to be careful here. There's a car pulling out. There could be pedestrians walking between these parked cars, so always be looking for that. And of course people trying to enter or exit a parking space. Car at junction. Currently driving at 25 miles an hour, keeping my distance to the car in front. Car behind is keeping its distance to me, which is fabulous. Deal Castle on the right, English Heritage, half-mast for both flags, because of course we lost our monarch yesterday at time of recording. The Queen is dead, long live the King. Okay, cars and pedestrians. You've seen this part in a previous video. But it's good to know, if ever you drive to Deal, you'd think this is the way I'm going to go. I think that's the first time I've used my indicators. Right, I did a cut there. There was no point you seeing me crawling up that road. Going left at this junction, so indicators on. Road is clear. Out we go. There's Deal Pier with some majestic clouds behind it. Right, we're going across this roundabout, but I'm actually going to take the left-hand turn which goes down towards the high street to conclude the video. I won't indicate approaching because there is a junction there, but now I'll indicate to come off the roundabout. And then we come down in towards Deal High Street. So that's it. Pretty boring. But if you're on the videos just for the journey of, you know, a little trip around the Kent countryside, then that was a plus. I shall say thanks for watching and bearing with, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.